Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Miles. Welcome to PJM Collectibles, and this is my first talking video. And in my first talking video, we're going to unbox this smaller box. Stuff. Okay, here we go. Finally, it's here. Okay. Sorry about that. Need to clear this one first. It's a Kawa-Bug-A from Hot Wheels. Okay. Okay. Finally, this is the Kawa-Bug-A from Hot Wheels. It's a highly collectible item. Okay. It's the box. Okay. And it's from the Hot Wheels Redline Club. Well, the box says this product is intended for adult collectors and it's not intended for children under 14 years of age. Okay. So first time to open this one. So let's do this. Okay, let me get this one. Okay. Okay, finally, from the white box, open this one. Okay, out with the white box. Okay, from the outer packaging. Okay, there's the Kawa-Bug-A. It says on the side, Hot Wheels Redline Club, and it's the definition of an exotic car. Okay, it's too long a read, so if you want to read it, there. Okay, give you a couple of seconds to read that. Okay, the Redline Club is a numbered collector's item, and I got a high numbered item. Okay, so this came out 30,000 items and I am 23,288. Okay, too bad. Was hoping to get a lower numbered one, but anyway, doesn't matter. So it's my first time owning a Redline Club. So here it is. Okay, the box, and there's the Kawa-Bug-A. Ooh, yes. Okay, let me get rid of that one. And now, whoa, lo and behold, this is it. Oh yes, it's really a beauty. Okay. Okay, let me get my turntable. I'll put this on a turntable, okay? All models from Redline Club comes in an acrylic box, and the thick kind of acrylic box. Okay, very good and sturdy. Models are secured with plastic things and secured with 2 screws. Okay, so really good. Yes, so I'm going to open up the acrylic case. Okay, after quite some time, it took me a hard time opening this one, so finally it's here, the plastic thing, and now we get to see this up close. Oh yes, this one is a really good model. Okay, it's a nice Spectra Flame Aqua color. It's very shiny at that. And it's a 1949 split type. As you can see in the windows at the back, it's got a roof rack with a surfboard, suitcase with a Hot Wheels RLC Safari, and cooler. Okay, ready to go surfing with this guy. Okay, this one's got a Real Riders 5-spoke silver VUM wheels. Okay, that one really good with a lowered stance look, slammed look. It's the Cal look, okay, California look, and it's got an opening rear hood, rear engine hood. So take a little closer. And we get to see this one for the first time. Ooh, very detailed engine hood, rather engine bay. An engine, okay. Very nice. It's got twin carbs. Probably it's a long block. Okay. As for the interiors, take a closer look. It's a left-hand drive. Look at brown interiors, brown seats, safari type windshield. Yes. Plastic, chrome colored bumpers up front, detailed headlights. Even the door handles are detailed. Really not bad. And on the rear, detailed taillights and plastic chrome colored bumpers. Really good model. Okay, so I'm really excited. This one, really happy with this latest addition to the PJM Collectibles Garage. The 1949 Volkswagen Type 1 Beetle Kawa-Bug-A from the Volkswagen, or rather from the Hot Wheels Redline Club. So we're going to leave it here on the turntable for everyone, and thank you for watching my first talking video, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.